Hello, my name is Eric, your technical support representative here at Magic Show. In today's video, we'll be going over how to remove and replace the drain hose on the 2.0 top load washer. Let's get started.
The following are the tools you will need for this process: a drill with a Phillips head attachment, and a wrench. As you can see on our 2.0 washer, it protrudes out the side. To gain access, you'll have to remove this cover. Let's begin by removing the 5 screws holding in the cover. Go ahead and use your drill with the Phillips head attachment. Upon getting a closer look, we can see that the drain hose is clamped onto the drain pump. Again, before proceeding with doing this, please remember to unplug your unit from the outlet, as you don't want any power running into this unit. There might be a little bit of water when you're doing this. I would recommend to go ahead and remove the water via the drain cap, which is also the lint filter. Once you remove all the water, then proceed and remove the clamp holding in the drain. With your wrench, if you have this style, it'd be a good idea to adjust it. Off. But before we proceed to pull it right off, we have to go ahead and remove this. This is just being clipped in, and you could actually probably remove it by hand. Now we can go ahead and proceed to continue removing this. Okay, you might have to twist it around a bit to get it to loosen up. But once you do, then it'll come right off. Pull off the clamp first. Then feed it out. Then, once you're ready, start feeding in your new hose. Get the clamp that you need ready as well. Put it over, fit it through. Move the clamp over. You might even be able to do this by hand. If not, use the wrench again. Right there. Okay. It's nice and secure. Doesn't go anywhere. Then on the other side, feed the plastic through until it clips on. There we go. And you're done.
If you have any more questions or concerns about the drain hose removal process, or in general about any one of our Magic Chef appliances, feel free to contact our customer service line at 888-775-0202. Any one of our representatives would be more than happy to help you out. You could also reach a representative live via our Mavenlink chat at mcappliance.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.